This is AI Business Cases, the playbook for operators. Today's case: how to restructure teams for AI without destroying morale. The operational pain point many companies face today is employee resistance to adopting AI technologies. Often, teams feel threatened by AI's potential to replace their jobs, which erodes morale and productivity. This can lead to a culture where innovation is stifled rather than embraced. To tackle this issue, let's look at a real-world example. A mid-sized manufacturing company called PrimeTech. They struggled with integrating AI into their operations due to employee pushback, which made it clear that simply rolling out AI tools wasn't enough. They decided to take a more inclusive approach, partnering with a consulting firm called AI Leadership Solutions. The plan was set for a 6-month timeline, during which they would implement a comprehensive change management strategy alongside AI integration. The budget ranged between $150K, covering workshops, training sessions, and ongoing support. Here's how it worked. First, they conducted workshops to define the roles of AI in various team functions. This created a shared understanding among employees about how AI could enhance their daily tasks rather than replace them. They brought in an AI leadership solutions consultant to facilitate these discussions, focusing on how AI could alleviate mundane tasks and allow team members to focus on higher-value activities. They also introduced a tiered training program tailored to different levels of AI familiarity. For employees who were initially resistant, they emphasized success stories, showing how other companies saw productivity gains. They shared data points that showcased a 30% increase in efficiency post-AI implementation at similar organizations. This helped employees visualize the opportunities ahead rather than the risks. To ensure ongoing buy-in, PrimeTech launched an internal incentive program where employees who successfully adapted to AI tools received both financial rewards and public recognition. This alignment of incentives helped foster a sense of ownership among team members. The integration reality is that employees need to feel like they are part of the solution, not the problem. By the end of the 6 months, PrimeTech successfully integrated AI into their workflow, realizing a 25-35% increase in operational efficiency. Most importantly, employee morale had improved, as the feedback indicated a 40% increase in job satisfaction scores pre- and post-AI integration. What are the lessons here? First, establishing a clear communication strategy is crucial. Employees need to understand not just what AI does, but why it matters to them. Training should not be a one-size-fits-all. Involve your teams in the planning process to tailor it to their unique needs. So, what's transferable to your situation? Begin by assessing the areas where AI could add value in your organization. Engage your teams early on to gather input and address their concerns. This can guide how you frame the integration process. Also, consider the importance of transparency. As an action item for this week, schedule a team meeting where you discuss the potential role of AI in your operations. Create an open forum for questions and ideas, and encourage team members to express their concerns. This will not only set the tone for an inclusive culture, but also lay the groundwork for a successful AI strategy. Remember, change management is not just about the technology, but about the people who will be using it. Ensure your leadership team is aligned and ready to support your employees through this transformation. The path towards leveraging AI is complex, but with the right approach, you can build a culture of collaboration rather than fear. That wraps this case study. If you're implementing AI in your organization, follow the channel.